In this video, I'll show you how to combine clips in DaVinci Resolve using compound clips. Start by making sure you have your clips placed in the timeline. If you want to combine all of them, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select every clip. Now, right-click on any of the selected clips. From the menu, choose the top option called New Compound Clip. A small box will pop up. Here, give your compound clip a name and then click on Create. Now, all the selected clips have been combined into a single compound clip. If you need to edit the clips inside the compound clip, right-click on it and choose Open in Timeline. This will let you see all the original clips inside the compound clip. You can now move them around, delete them, or even add new clips. To return to your main timeline, just go to the media pool and double-click the original timeline. If you only want to combine two clips that are not next to each other, first move them apart in the timeline. Then hold Ctrl and click to select both clips. Right-click and choose Create New Compound Clip. Name it and click Create. Now you'll see that even though the clips are inside one compound clip, the space between them is still there. That's how you combine clips in DaVinci Resolve.